Hello everybody. With the latest release of OS X 10.10, Apple has also released iTunes latest version, iTunes 12. It's a completely new redesigned app for iTunes, and in this video we are going to see what are the changes included in there. The very first thing which you will notice is the icon itself. The icon color has been changed to red from the blue shade which was there in earlier version. And as soon as you open the app, it is more clear that a lot of things has been redesigned. The whole UI has been given a more of a flatter look. So if you see, all of these sections has been given a more of a gray shade and a more flatter interface. You will have more or less the similar controls, but a lot of things has been reorganized. Like if you see, your home buttons are here, your music, movies, TV shows and all the other stuff is here rather than on the sidebars. Your music, playlist, match and iTunes store has been given a prominent location. So wherever you are, either you are on movies and all, everywhere you will get the iTunes store here itself. And to change the views, you will have this column now. So just drop it down and you will see all kind of things. You want to shuffle it to songs, you want to shuffle it to the artist. So all of those things can be done here, and this is similar to everywhere. Here also you can get the same list, and in TV shows also you can get the same list. So those are the changes. There are few other small changes here. When you will use, you will come to know the get info bar has been changed. So now you can see it's not the similar way as you were seeing earlier, where the text fields were there and you can just select the text field and type. It is still updatable. You can just select anything and type on it and it will change. So it is still very much editable. You can edit whole metadata and everything here, but the look of this has been changed now. So you can see all the sorting options and other stuff is coming here, and you can change a lot of things there. The other thing was there was a custom fields. Now you have the add fields. So you can add fields like grouping, disk number, commands, BPM, and always show current fields kind of a stuff. So those things you can do there. Another thing which has been changed is the way albums opens up. The album art has been given a prominent look, and earlier it used to integrate with the whole background, but now you can see all the borders and everything are much more crisp. There are few other changes. There are changes which I do not like also, like in TV shows. Earlier your episodes are grouped based on the seasons, so you can see all your seasons here and you can select which season you want to go. Currently, if you see, I have the full Friends, but it's not grouping it like that. It is still grouping it under seasons, but there is no way of collapse and expand any of the season. So if I want to look anything in the season 10, I have to actually scroll down 100 episodes, and that is very bad. I really like that grouping of the seasons in this TV shows earlier. The another good thing is family sharing. Now Apple allows you to create a family account, and you can add your spouse, kids into that account. Yes, even kids are allowed. You can actually create accounts for your kids, and I would suggest to take those email IDs very fast, because the names will go away as fast as possible. So but you can create your kids account, and you can mark them, ask for permission to buy, and they will be asked for each and every purchase. You will get a notification whenever they want to purchase anything or do any payment transactions. That can be accessed under store, view my account, or through system preferences under iCloud setting. So once you are under iCloud, there is a manage family section, and you can click on that, and you can add account, delete account, or change their access level and do everything in there. The other changes are the similar as other Yosemite changes, like the translucency, these buttons. You can see the full screen toggle here, so that is easily accessible. So these are all the changes which you will see under iTunes 12. If you have if you like to see more of the changes which is present in Yosemite apps, subscribe to Make Web World or keep watching this playlist. Thank you.